Hello, everybody. Welcome back to English with Pearl. Today we have a very sweet girl with us. Her name is Khushi. Welcome, Khushi. How are you doing?
Yeah, thank you so much, first of all, for inviting me. Yes, I'm doing great. How about you? Thanks for asking.
Yeah, same here. I am great. These days are really good for me. So let's start with your introduction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, before starting the introduction, that I wanna say you something because now I was looking forward to this session for 2 days. I guess, as you know that, and you know what was happened? I was one of your video with Radha, and I was thinking, okay, I want to have a session with this girl, and yeah, universe listen me, and today we are here. So thank you so much for this. So
Yeah,
yeah,
it's my pleasure.
as you know, yeah. So as you know, myself Khushi Verma, and I hail from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan. And if I talk about my studies, I have completed my graduation. I hold my bachelor degree. And apart from this, if I talk about my hobbies, I love singing, and this is my current hobby to learn this language. I am starting indulging myself in this language, and yes, I am running my YouTube channel as well, as you know, I guess. So yeah, this is pretty much about me.
Okay, that was wonderful. And about me, my name is Pratibha. I hail from Jammu and Kashmir, currently a college student, and talking with
Mm-hmm.
people is my hobby. And I've been doing that from past 2 months now, and I'm loving it. Yeah. So, like
Mm-hmm.
talking about you,
Yeah,
you're a
that's
teacher,
great.
right? Like you teach students.
Yeah, recently I have started to teach the students. Not much, but yes, I have two kids whom I teaching. So yeah. Mhm. So I have one more question. That I have one question, not more. Um, you are in college, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. So I want to know that how the college life is going so far, yours, because I know I completed my graduation as a private candidate. I didn't enjoy the college life, but I want that kind of things like a bunk and go for a movie with friends, fun with friends, and a lot of things is happen with friends. And the friends is like, okay, I saw most of the friends is like, we can't survive with each other and go together and all of the things. So I want to know that how's your experience? What's about college life?
Okay, so my experience, like what difference I saw in college and school is that in school, you would be going somewhere and people kids won't just care, they won't look at you and smile back at you. But in the college I'm saying that okay, if I talk to this girl once, then she'll remember me and she'll smile at me whenever I see her. So that's what's happening with me, and it's so sweet. Like I have talked with like many girls, and whenever I see them, they always wave at me, they smile at me. So that's a great thing, that's a positive thing happening with me. Other than that, obviously, in the initial days, there are not like those friends right now, but I am in the initial phase of the friendship thing, and I am making quite good friends. I mean, to go somewhere daily and to see those faces again and again, you get familiar with those faces, and eventually you'll
Mm-hmm.
have a great friendship with them. So it's like that. And about the classes, like in school, we have continuous classes, maybe a free period
Mm-hmm.
there would be. But in college, like if there if there's a class at 11 a.m., other class would be like at 1 p.m. So a large chunk of time in between we get, and I don't know what to do at that time. Sometimes I just roam here and there in the campus, sometimes I just read newspaper. But I am loving it. Like I hate Sundays nowadays. So you can tell that I'm really like in this phase of my life, because when
Okay.
you know that you're hating the holiday for just a college thing, you really love that. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. So, do you have any kind of friends? Like, I saw most of the friends like, okay, we can't survive without each other.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. So I have
yeah,
this.
and they. Mhm.
Okay, so I had this friend where I was in school because it was a friendship of like 2+ years. So that happens when you're friends with someone for quite a long time now. I do have that kind of friend, but she's in another college right now, unfortunately. But yeah, I do have. But in college, not really. Like it takes time, and I have to give time to have that
Mhm.
friendship. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So, do you have any question? Another question?
Yeah, I have this question like most people would choose to go to college really because that college life experience and everything, the exposure. But why didn't you, like you said that you did like from private, something like that. So why didn't you attend the college?
Hmm. Because there is no that kind of scenario, there is no that kind of environment. Because I do private graduation. I did I did private graduation because the colleges and the study is not bad good. This is I was thinking like this is just wasting of time because there is not that kind of scenario because I belong from the village and the college is in a city, but the city is not that much big, or there is so not there, and there is no that kind of cinemas and hotels and cafes. So this was happened with me, but I was I wanted to live this kind of life. So that's why, because of environment, I didn't go to the college. I choose my studies, and I want to prepare for the competition exam. So according to my parents, they also want you should prepare for your exams, prepare for your competition exams. It may be useful, rather than go to the college and wasting your time. So that's why.
Okay, so since you're home all the time basically, so do you like miss having friends or something like that? And there would be time when you feel like, okay, I'm staying home all year, I need to go somewhere. What do you do at that time?
Of course, of course. I feel nowadays also because when you're following when you start follow the same schedule, so you are feeling bored. Then you feel like, okay, I want to do something different. But I'm like bookworm kind of person. I love to study and I love to explore new things and books and all, and so that's why I was not feeling that time. But yeah, somewhere you are feeling, okay, I want I need I have a need of friends. I want to talk with them and I want to go outside with them. Yes, of course it happens with me, but these days I'm like very but one time one the time come, like, okay, you are alone and there is no person who can listen you and all. So I guess maybe you should accept this thing because this was happened with me. So I was tried to connect with universe, and these days I'm into the universe a lot, and speak with myself if I face alone and loneliness. So I try to speak with myself and create positive zone, and try to listen music whenever I feel like this. So yeah, of course I feel whatever you said that. But of course, but we should accept these kind of things when we don't have any kind of option. So yeah.
Okay, so like I can totally resonate with that because I also stayed with home. Also stayed at home for like a year. But like for me, it was like I felt there was like a lot of pressure and I couldn't take it anymore because I'm that kind of person that love to stay outdoors, meet with people, take part in anchoring and all that stuff. So it was really, really hard for me and I used to cry a lot that I want to get out from here. I cannot stay at home for this long. So that's why I was
Yeah.
asking. So like if I
No,
if
I
mm, go on.
yes, I also that kind of person. Before some years, I would say. So I was like cry if I get the failure in my studies. Like I was feeling like, okay, I'm giving my a lot of time to my studies, and the result is zero. Why? So at the time, I was cried a lot, and whenever I feel alone, so at that time I was cried, but not now. It was not happen these days.
Okay, so what's your solution is that we should try to connect with the universe and tell them the stories and all that. Because I know a little bit about this, that we should connect with the universe and we should tell all our worries and happiness with the universe, and the universe listens to us, so something like that.
Yes, yes. Mhm.
So,
So it
mhm.
the idea of universe come in my mind with Rajnidhi. I started to follow these videos of Mitesh Khatri especially, and in this video he suggested to whatever you want to do in your life, you just try to first of all try to visualization and try to write whenever before going to the bed. You just write whatever you want to do in your life and try to motivate yourself, try to create the positive zone in yourself whenever you are feeling alone, whenever you are feeling low. It happens with everyone, that the people feeling like low and alone. So at that time what we should we should go with the affirmations, and we should go with the naam jap, we should go with the bhajan, listening music. There are so many things on YouTube, we can do anything else. So due to this I try to do this because I was like totally negative kind of person when I was share my things with Rajnidhi, and she suggested me should go with these kind of things. So she suggested me about universe, and this is the very favorite topic of her. So she can give a big motivational speech on this. So that's why she suggested me to go with this, and you try to go, do um, affirmations, try to do meditation, and listen motivational videos aloud. So due to this I started, it's been I guess 1 month, and I can see the drastic change in myself. I was like, I'm feeling like, okay, I'm very positive kind of person. So you start with your day, when you start your day, you do I guess 10 to 15 minutes you try to do a meditation, and in this time you try to visualize the thing whatever you want to do in your life, and start with your affirmation like, okay, I'm very healthy physically, mentally, emotionally, and everything else like this, your body and your mind. You start with this with positive affirmations. So due to this I can see the change in myself, and I created the positive zone, and I try to mitigate all of the bad things whatever in me. So I try to mitigate all of the things, and I start working on myself. So due to this I'm doing.
Yeah, and that was such a good piece of information for me and for the people watching as well. Yeah, and even I think like meditation, I don't know much about the universe thing, but even I believe meditation helps us a lot because it helps us to keep our mind calm and composed, and we
Mm-hmm.
can be in the present, right? And yeah, I will search more about the universe because I don't have much knowledge about it, but since it
Mm-hmm.
worked for you, so I think that's a real thing over there, and we should dig
Yes.
more into that.
Before this I was not like, I was not believing in this, like, okay, what this is not working. But when I started, and why when I indulging myself in this, so I can see the results. So that's why you should also do whenever you are it is also very helpful those kind of person who is doing overthinking. Yeah,
Yeah.
I was also like that. Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Like, yeah, it's a great thing, and we should start following it as soon as possible. If we are not, like, I have struggled with mental health a lot. I mean, when you're alone and you get nobody to talk to, you feel that like there's nobody. What can I do? So at that time, I think this can help a lot. And I know in this modern world,
Hmm.
there are a lot of people who are going through this same problem, and they don't know what to do, and they feel
Hmm.
so helpless, and they don't even know how to focus in day-to-day life. So it would be so helpful for them if they just follow meditation and everything else related to it.
Mm-hmm. Definitely, because as you mentioned that the world is really very busy these days, and of course, sometimes we are feeling like we want any person, but at that time they were not available because of the busy world. So I guess maybe we are the best person who can understand your feelings, who can understand our feelings, our problems, and we are the best person who can solve our problem on your own. So that's why I, started listen myself and started to speak with universe. And yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and we can actually see that in you, the way you're smiling, it doesn't seem it's fake. And that's why I'm saying that you're such a sweet girl, because I can actually sense that. Like, I can sense people, like, I don't know how. But yeah, like,
Hmm.
and even that thing that you told me, that I watched your video once and I wanted to talk to you. And the third day you texted me, this is not the first time happening with me. This is like second time, even a girl before. So I think I'm like, even when there are times when I know it's an online thing, but my friends, they would be in the chat to text me, and I will text them at the same exact time, and this has happened like quite a lot of times now. So I think I'm so like,
Yes.
I'm that person that can feel, that I actually sense what's happening and all
Hmm.
that. So because it has happened a lot with me, and I'm not that on the work type of person that believes in everything. So yeah, there's that thing happening, and
Hmm.
I need to know more more about all these.
Yes, you can go with any video because there are so many videos these days on YouTube. Mitesh Khatri sir and a lot of other person who is explaining how to do and how it is working. So yeah, you can go with it.
Yeah, exactly. I will go with it. And do
Mm.
you have any other question, or we can also wind up the session?
No, I don't have any question. Yeah, I want to know about your accent as well because you are really very, holding the good accent. So how you? I want to know that what kind of things you are doing to, um, working on your language. And yeah, I know that it's been 6 years, but yeah, I want to know that the things what you are doing for your English and all.
Okay, I would love to tell about that. What I'm doing is I'm listening. I'm just listening. That has always worked for me, listening a lot and a lot. And these days, yeah, not these days, I'm doing this from quite a long time. Like, exposure to native English. Like, we are human beings, just like we learned our first language. I know I'm saying this for like thousandth time, but this is the real thing. You have to
Yeah.
listen more, and our brain will adopt. You don't have to force yourself to speak like this or that. Yeah, shadowing helps, but even if you listen to American English or British English, you'll see that in some months there are a few changes in you, that the way you're talking, it's like them a little bit. So that happens when you listen a lot, and I'm sure that any average human being can do that easily. Yeah.
Definitely, yeah. I can resonate with you. You know, I listen your videos. I guess 3 times with Rajniti. Whenever I do my house and chores, I when I help to my mother and do household chores, so I listen your video for 3 times with Rajniti, and I can see like I started speaking like you. It
Oh,
happens, yeah.
that's such a sweet thing. I mean, I am loving when people are like appreciating these days, because it's a new thing for me, and I really get the teary vibes. Like, my eyes get filled with the tears. So such a great feeling. Yeah, I am. I'm glad it's working for you.